Some people say this place is haunted. Did you know that, Jim? Of course, Jim knows that. He knows everything about ghosts. Is that you, Jim? Yeah. It scared me. Ew. It dripped on me. Ugh. Ugh. I don't know what that was. What? No, right here I got dripped on.
Thought I heard somebody going that way.
There's a lot of echoes. It's my reflection. This way?
Yeah, go up this way now.
Okay. So creepy. It really is.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost fell over. I won't. Nope. Nope. Jake went in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, my youngest went in there when he was little. I think I had to pay him. Maybe not. I don't think there was anything in there. It looks dark and creepy, but... Should I go? See, it just goes to the end here. Actually, I'm not even sure how far it goes. I'm actually kind of scared. Jim's he's out there watching me. So, I don't think this is the one Jake went through. I don't know. Is that the end of the wall? Yeah, that's the end, I think. I'm going now the other way. It's the end of the wall. I took a picture. I turned my light on to look. It was kind of creepy, man. I'm running back out here now. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm never gonna make this. Hi, Joe.
Hey.
Are you taping me, taping you?
Yeah.
Why didn't you go in, Jim?
I was watching you.
You were there in case I started running out?
Yeah.
Okay.
That way I can save you.
You would save me? Or get a head start?
Okay. So Geronimo was placed here, imprisoned here, along with a medicine man, a warrior, and 15 other Apache men at Fort Pickens.
This really cool picture of my youngest son, like when he was like 3, no, not 3, 7 or 8, standing at like a couple circles, it's a couple archways down. Did it in black and white. It looked really cool.
Yeah, we got it in that too. Definitely get a good breeze through here.
Mm-hmm. What is that?
Could be sulfur.
Mm.
It could be salt. Or it could be limestone.
Like, look at that.
Kind of thinking it's limestone. Because of the salty air.
It reminds me of all the ruins of Europe. Uh-oh. What do you think is in here? I don't remember this. Were we here already? Oh, I got water on me again. Oh. Contaminated.
Yeah.
We're lost. Don't know how to get out of here. It's like being lost in Mykonos all over again.
We might be here for good.
This way, right? Left. Okay, I gotcha. We're not lost. Oh my god, wouldn't that be creepy? Some people say this place is haunted. Did you know that, Joe? Of course, Jim knows that. He knows everything about ghosts. Tomorrow we have a ghost hunting investigation at the McRaven house in Mississippi. I'm gonna be up there somewhere on the YouTubes. Normally I avoid stairs at all costs. I think I'm gonna go up these stairs. What do you think?
Okay.
Going up these stairs, they're so narrow. I'm gonna not film going up the stairs because I might die going up the stairs filming it. They look narrow. Bet you there's a good view up there. So it's time to go up these stairs.
Oh.
Oh, I know. Out of shape.
Yeah.
You would have think after Italy.